The Internet and the World Wide Web. What is Internet? A vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the Internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an Internet connection. Internet connection ay isang pangdaigdigang network with bilyong mga computer at iba pang mga elektronikong aparato. Ang Internet ay posible na ma-access ay halos anumang informasyon, makipag-usap sa sinuman sa mundo at gumagawa at higit pa. Magagawa mo ang lahat ng ito sa pamamagitan ng pakipag-konekta ng computer sa internet na tinatawag nating online. The Internet then and now. Then, less connected and more paper-oriented office communication was carried out through landline phones, memos, and inter-office mail. Typewriter and fax machine were essential office tools. Collaboration and project often required face-to-face meeting or mailing physical documents. Ang internet noon ay hindi gaano konektado sa internet ang mga tao at mas nakatuon sila sa papel, opisina at mga gamit. At ang gamit lang nila na communication is landline phones, memos, and inter-office mail. Ngayon, ang internet ay ginagamit na sa lahat, paying bills, buying groceries, meeting new friends, online class, online games, at yung iba, ginagamit nila yung internet sa panahon ngayon sa hanap ng trabaho gamit ang computer through online. History of Internet. A very brief history of the Internet begins with ARPANET in 1969, which initially connected four universities' computers to each other. It grew and developed into that we recognize as the Internet today, which became available for public access in 1991. Ang history of Internet noon, hindi internet ang tawag sa kanya. Ang tawag sa kanya noon is ARPANET. At ARPANET ang tawag sa kanya noong 1969. Tapos nag-grow ug nag-develop ang ARPANET at naging internet siya in 1991. The Internet 2 Environment Future Environment. The Internet 2 network is a nationwide high-speed network that connects universities, research institutions, government agencies, private companies, and other organizations. It offers advanced networking capabilities allowing for better, faster, and reliable data transfer and collaboration among its members. Internet 2 membership provides opportunities for engagement with an active community that accelerates research, discovery, advances national and global educational, and improves the delivery of public. Internet 2, ang komunidad ng Internet 2 ay bumubuo at naglalagay ng mga teknolohiya sa network para sa kinabukasan ng Internet. Kasama ang mga teknolohiya ito, ang mga ito ay ang malaking pagsukat ng pagpapaganap ng network at mga tool sa pamamahala. Secure na pagkakilanlan ng mga tool at kakayahan sa pamamahala ng pag-access gaya ng pag-schedule ng mga bandwidth and high performance circuit. Internet today is still growing. The Internet has experienced remarkable growth and become an integral part of our lives, with 5.2 billion users worldwide, of 65% of the total population. It connects people globally and facilitates communication, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. Ang Internet ay pinaka karaniwang ginagamit ngayon at naging isa sa pinakamakapangyarihan at kawili-wiling mga tool sa buong mundo. Ang internet ay isang network ng mga network at koleksyon ng maraming serbisyo at mapagkukuhanan na nakikibilangan sa atin ng iba't ibang paraan.